Hello my children, how are you all today? Are you all fine? Children, do you know which activity we are going to learn today? In today's session, we are going to do some craft activity. But in this craft activity, we are going to make something very beautiful. Children, tell me which festival is going to come? Yes, Raksha Bandhan. So, for Raksha Bandhan, we are going to make a beautiful Rakhi. Do you want to learn how to make this Rakhi? So, I will teach you all and today we'll enjoy making this Rakhi. So, let's start the activity. For making a Rakhi, we'll need glue. Then, we'll need a lace or a ribbon. Then we need a card paper cutout. You can take in round shape or square. Then we'll need some decorative material. So let us start. First of all, we'll take a lace and on this lace in the center we'll put a drop of glue. And we'll stick our base, that is a card paper cutout, on this glue drop. So our base of the Rakhi is ready. Now we are going to decorate this with some cutouts and stones. So here, as you can see, I have this type of cutout. I'm applying little bit glue in the center and then I will stick this cutout. Now we'll decorate this outer side. For that, I have this decorative material and I'm going to stick it around this golden cutout. So I will apply glue around this cutout and then I will stick this small decorative items. See, I have stick this blue color decorative item around this centerpiece. Now I am going to use this golden color stones and will stick it here. So for that I am going to use some glue, 2 drops of glue. Or you can apply glue this way, make few lines. And then we'll stick this golden color stones. We'll stick 3 stones. This way. Children, do not worry about the extra glue. This glue will get dry, then it will be transparent. So it will look clear. So this way, on each line I will stick this golden color stones. As you can see, children, I wanted to stick 3 stones, but there is not enough space, so I am sticking 2 stones. But this also looks beautiful, isn't it? So this is our Rakhi. And children, you can see that we could make a beautiful Rakhi, right? So you don't have to go outside and purchase any Rakhi during this lockdown, right? You can make such beautiful Rakhi and wear it. Then I hope you like this Rakhi, right? I want you all to make this Rakhi at home. Bye bye for now. Take care and enjoy your Raksha Bandhan.